seductively appealing to him. He loves everything about you. I am seductively available to him. He loves everything you say. I am truly tantalizing to him. He loves your good looks. I am simply so lovable to him. He loves your ways now. I am the girl for him now. Forever he loves your style. I am the perfect woman for him. He loves your charm. I am spending quality time with him. He loves your company. I am in his deepest loving desires. He falls in love with you. He is thinking of you. He is noticing you now. He is accepting you now. He is in my company. He is happy with you. He is my other half. He is the one for you. He belongs to you now. You always make him feel good. You boost his self-esteem now. You make him feel valuable. You fulfill all his needs now. You are a perfect match together. You are a great couple now. You are inseparable forever. You are an amazing couple together. I make him fall in love with me. I make him fall in love with me with thought. I make him fall in love with me with my desires. I make him fall in love with me with my intentions. I make him fall in love with me with my suggestions. I can make him fall in love with me. I can make him fall in love with me. I have irresistible love power. I have irresistible attraction. I target my attraction. With power I target my attraction. With force I easily bring back old flames. I easily create massive desire for me and him. I easily create massive lust for me and him. I easily create intense desire for me and him. I easily create intense lust for me and him. I create love with my mind. I create love with my thoughts. I create love with my energy. I create love with my magnetism. I create love with my charisma. I create love with my gaze. I create love with my intention. I create love across vast distances. He cannot resist my love power. He cannot resist my love force. He cannot resist my love energy. He willingly fall under my spell. He willingly obey my desires. He willingly beg to love me. He willingly beg to adore me. He willingly beg to be with me. You make him fall in love with you. You make him fall in love with you with thought. You make him fall in love with you with your desires. You make him fall in love with you with your intentions. You make him fall in love with you with your suggestions. You can make him fall in love with you. You can make him fall in love with you. You have irresistible love power. You have irresistible attraction. You target your attraction with power. You target your attraction with force. You easily bring back old flames. You easily create massive desire for you in him. You easily create massive lust for you in him. You easily create intense desire for you in him. You easily create intense lust for you in him. You create love with your mind. You create love with your thoughts. You create love with your energy. You create love with your magnetism. You create love with your charisma. You create love with your gaze. You create love with your intention. You create love across vast distances. I am attractively appealing to him. He loves everything about you. I am seductively available to him. He loves everything you say. I am truly tantalizing to him. He loves your good looks. I am simply so lovable to him. He loves your ways now. I am the girl for him now. Forever he loves your style. I am the perfect woman for him. He loves your charm. I am spending quality time with him. He loves your company. I am in his deepest loving desires. He falls in love with you. He is thinking of you. He is noticing you now. He is accepting you now. He is in my company. He is happy with you. He is my other half. He is the one for you. He belongs to you now. You always make him feel good. You boost his self-esteem now. You make him feel valuable. You fulfill all his needs now. You are a perfect match together. You are a great couple now. You are inseparable forever. You are an amazing couple together. I make him fall in love with me. I make him fall in love with me with thought. I make him fall in love with me with my desires. I make him fall in love with me with my intentions. I make him fall in love with me with my suggestions. I can make him fall in love with me. I can make him fall in love with me. I have irresistible love power. I have irresistible attraction. I target my attraction. With power I target my attraction. With force I easily bring back old flames. I easily create massive desire for me and him. I easily create massive lust for me and him. I easily create intense desire for me and him. I easily create intense lust for me and him. I create love with my mind. I create love with my thoughts. I create love with my energy. I create love with my magnetism. I create love with my charisma. I create love with my gaze. I create love with my intention. I create love across vast distances. He cannot resist my love power. He cannot resist my love force. He cannot resist my love energy. He willingly fall under my spell. He willingly obey my desires. He willingly beg to love me. He willingly beg to adore me. He willingly beg to be with me. You make him fall in love with you. You make him fall in love with you with thought. You make him fall in love with you with your desires. You make him fall in love with you with your intentions. You make him fall in love with you with your suggestions. You can make him fall in love with you. You can make him fall in love with you. You have irresistible love power. You have irresistible attraction. You target your attraction with power. You target your attraction with force. You easily bring back old flames. You easily create massive desire for you in him. You easily create massive lust for you in him. You easily create intense desire for you in him. You easily create intense lust for you in him. You create love with your mind. You create love with your thoughts. You create love with your energy. You create love with your magnetism. You create love with your charisma. You create love with your gaze. You create love with your intention. You create love across vast distances.